Hello and welcome back to Pen and Ink with Angelique. In this one I am working on the Pedlar's Quay in Tillsonburg. It's a cute little shop. It has a beautiful sort of like Victorian style farmhouse, I would say. I'm not an architect, so I could be wrong in that, but I know that it has certain Victorian features. Like there is an entrance to the side door that has a left and right side that I'm drawing right now. Left and right side entrance on the stairs. That's a Victorian trait. I did really enjoy doing this drawing, this pen and ink. The first one I did made a few mistakes, so I had to redo it. I had a different kind of angle on the building, and the gazebo part the entrance part here at the front didn't work out. My 3D drawing, the perspective was off. So I recreated it in a different format, different kind of layout, and I'm very satisfied how it turned out. So if you want to try this, please do. Give it a try. If you have any questions or concerns, make a comment at the bottom, and I'll see you in a bit.
Quando a noite cai eu vejo em seu olhar estrelas dançando, brilho a nos guiar. Seu sorriso é a luz que ilumina meu ser. Em cada batida eu só quero te ter. Nos braços da manhã vou te amar sem fim. Como o sol que nasce, você é meu jardim. Nossos sonhos juntos, tecendo a canção. Em cada momento pulsa nossa paixão. Passeios à beira-mar, mãos entrelaçadas. O tempo é eterno em suas risadas. Promessas sussurradas ao vento da brisa. Cada palavra sua é a minha precisa. Nos braços da manhã vou te amar sem fim. Como o sol que nasce, você é meu jardim. Nossos sonhos juntos, tecendo a canção. Em cada momento pulsa nossa paixão. Nos braços da manhã vou te amar sem fim. Como o sol que nasce, você é meu jardim. Nossos sonhos juntos, tecendo a canção. Em cada momento pulsa nossa paixão. À beira-mar, mãos entrelaçadas. O tempo é eterno em suas risadas. Promessas sussurradas ao vento da brisa. Cada palavra sua é a minha precisa. Nos braços da manhã vou te amar sem fim. Como o sol que nasce, você é meu jardim. Nossos sonhos juntos, tecendo a canção. Em cada momento pulsa nossa paixão. E se a tempestade tentar nos separar, eu vou te encontrar, sempre vou te amar. Juntos enfrentamos qualquer escuridão. Seu amor é luz, é minha salvação. Os braços do amanhã vão te amar sem fim. Como o sol que nasce, você é meu jardim. Nossos sonhos juntos, eternamente assim. Eu e você, amor, sempre juntos até o fim.
Hello, and I don't know if you noticed, I didn't put the pattern of the wood all the way through the house. It's a wood panels, the facade and the side of the house. It has, there's a reason why I did that. I know I don't actually add a lot of texture to houses, but in this one there's a particular reason why, because I'm going to be adding the shadow. The sun is actually hitting the back, right? So the shadow is casting the roof actually sits out quite a bit from the face of the house, so it casts quite a bit of a shadow. The clouds, I'm experimenting with different cloud types. Some other videos that I've done, I haven't included clouds, so from now on I'll be including some clouds, some I won't, so we'll see how that works out. So in this part, you'll see that I'm adding the shadow, the cast shadow from the roof. It is quite a bit of area that I'm adding it to, and it's a particular shape it has because of the cast shadow of the roof type it is. Because it sits quite far from the house, it's going to be a big shadow. Now we're getting to the end of the video. I did enjoy this one very much, especially the botanical plants that are in the front of the store. I really enjoyed that. It did have shadow showing in the front part, which made it very much exciting. I think it gave it a lot more depth in the foreground, middle ground, and the background. So I'm really pleased with this one. This was one of my favorites to do because of the store and the house style. If you guys have any comments, please list it below. If you would like this one, it will be on my website. Copies of it, prints, and I'll see you next one, and happy inking.